Wait, I have an idea. Stop it.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch